Friction. Aim: to study the relationship between force of limiting friction and normal reaction and to find the coefficient of friction between a block and a horizontal surface. Materials required: wooden block, thread, slotted weights, weight hanger. Take a wooden block with a hook on one end and place it on the table. Take a piece of thread with a hook and tie the wooden block to it. Pass it over the pulley. Hang a 100 grams weight hanger on the free end of the thread and keep it vertical. Add 5 more 100 gram slotted weight to the weight hanger. Note down the observations in the observation column. Coefficient of friction mu is equal to F divided by R, which is equal to 500 divided by 1000. That is equal to 0.5. Result: the coefficient of friction between wood and wood is equal to 0.5.